Welcome to Pro2Con's Info. Today, we're diving into the world of beauty, but with a natural twist. Say goodbye to chemicals and hello to 30 amazing homemade makeup recipes that are safe, easy, and effective. Section 1, Foundation and Concealer. First, let's start with the base. A flawless foundation is key to any makeup look. Here are 3 recipes for homemade foundation and concealer. 1. Mineral foundation. Mix arrowroot powder with cocoa powder and bentonite clay for your perfect shade. 2. Creamy concealer. Blend shea butter, beeswax, and a pinch of mineral powder. 3. Tinted moisturizer. Combine aloe vera gel, a drop of jojoba oil, and mineral foundation powder. Section 2. Natural blush. Add a natural glow to your cheeks with these blush recipes. 4. Beetroot powder blush. Simply mix beetroot powder with arrowroot for a vibrant pink hue. 5. Rose powder blush. Crush dried rose petals into a fine powder and combine with cornstarch. Section 3. Eyeshadows. Eyes that mesmerize, naturally. 6. Neutral shades. Cocoa powder for brown, activated charcoal for black, and arrowroot for a lighter tone. 7. Vibrant colors. Use spirulina for green or turmeric for a golden yellow pop. 8. Shimmery look. Add mica powder for that glittery effect. Section 4. Eyeliners and mascara. Define your eyes with these simple recipes. 9. Natural eyeliner. Combine activated charcoal with aloe vera gel for a smooth application. 10. Homemade mascara. Blend activated charcoal, beeswax, coconut oil, and a touch of vitamin E. Section 5. Lip care and lipsticks. Soft, kissable lips can be yours with these recipes. 11. Hydrating lip balm. Mix beeswax, coconut oil, and a drop of your favorite essential oil. 12. Beet lip tint. Combine beetroot juice with shea butter for a natural red. 13. Berry lipstick. Crush fresh berries, strain the juice, and mix it with coconut oil. Section 6. Highlighters and bronzers. Get that natural glow with these highlighters and bronzers. 14. Shimmery highlighter. Mix mica powder with coconut oil. 15. Natural bronzer. Combine cocoa powder, cinnamon, and cornstarch for the perfect shade. 15 more to go. Section 7. Other creative makeup hacks. Let's explore more fun ways to beautify naturally. 16. Cream eyeshadow. Use shea butter and cocoa for a creamy brown shade. 17. Colored mascara. Add spirulina for green lashes. 18. Setting powder. Use arrowroot powder or cornstarch to mattify your look. Section 8. Makeup primers. Start your makeup routine with these natural primers. 19. Aloe vera primer. Mix aloe vera gel with a few drops of witch hazel for a soothing primer. 20. Coconut oil primer. Apply a thin layer of coconut oil to hydrate and prepare your skin before makeup. Section 9. Lip scrubs. Keep your lips soft and smooth with these scrubs. 21. Sugar lip scrub. Mix brown sugar with honey and a little coconut oil for exfoliating lips. 22. Coffee lip scrub. Combine ground coffee, honey, and olive oil to smooth and plump lips. Section 10. Brow fillers and tints. Frame your face naturally with these brow recipes. 23. Brow powder. Blend cocoa powder and activated charcoal to match your brow color. 24. Henna brow tint. Use henna paste to tint eyebrows for a natural, long-lasting effect. Section 11. Face contouring products. Enhance your features with these contouring options. 25. Cream contour. Mix cocoa powder with a small amount of coconut oil for creamy contouring. 26. Powder contour. Blend cinnamon powder and cocoa powder for a subtle contouring powder. Section 12. Makeup removers. Clean your face naturally with these makeup removers. 27. Oil-based remover. Use coconut oil, olive oil, or almond oil to gently remove makeup. 28. Micellar water substitute. Combine rose water with a few drops of jojoba oil for a natural cleansing solution. Section 13. Natural setting spray. Lock your look in place with these refreshing sprays. 29. Rose water spray. Use pure rose water as a refreshing setting spray. 30. Green tea spray. Brew green tea, let it cool, and use it as a setting spray to calm your skin. And there you have it. 30 recipes to transform your beauty routine naturally. Experiment, play, and find what works best for your unique style. Remember, beauty starts from within, and nothing beats the power of nature. If you love this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pro2Cons Info for more exciting content. Stay beautiful, stay natural.